Welcome again to my kitchen. This is Chef Dennis M. Today we have a new recipe where we are going to prepare a marinated chicken, which we're gonna prepare it to a chicken stew. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you have subscribed so that you can receive my latest videos on new recipes each and every time that I post. Today we are going to prepare our chicken where we're going to marinate. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to prepare a marinade, please make sure you watch so that you can catch up and understand how we are going to prepare this marinade. So we're going to start with the process of marinating this chicken, where we are going to use our previous made marinade, which we preserved it under refrigeration, and we are going to apply our marinade to the chicken. I'm gonna apply 3 tablespoons of 4 I'm gonna put it back to the under refrigeration. Now we are going to mix so that each and every piece can receive the marinade properly. You can do it with hands, but since I have a large surface, I'm going to use my fork and the spoon. This is a full chicken, a kienyeji chicken. And now, I guess I've already mixed it properly. Now, I'm going to cover it with the coconut oil. Here is it. And the purpose of marination are two. One is to tenderize the meat. The second one is to improve the flavor. It is to achieve the good flavor and to tenderize the meat. And now I'm going to put my marinated chicken under refrigeration for 30 minutes so that we can start the preparation under the heat.
Later.
We are going to start our cooking process, where we have the ingredients here. We have our oil, our onions. This is 1 onion. Our capsicum, which is 1. Crushed ginger and garlic, salt, tomatoes, and coriander. We have the spices, which are black pepper, mixed spices, paprika, and tandoori. I love tandoori because it has a strong, sweet, good smell. Now we are going to start by frying our onions. Then we're gonna press our chicken and cook it for a few minutes for it to tenderize completely, so that we can add the other ingredients. Now we're going to 30 minutes. Now it is ready. It's good. And now we are going to add our tomatoes. Our seasonings. Crushed ginger and garlic. Salt. And we're gonna mix it well. Stew. Mix well. We're gonna cover for it to simmer. Our chicken is ready. As you can see, now we are good to. We are going to finish it with our coriander so that we can proceed to the serving. Coriander is good when you put it before you serve so that you serve the good aroma of it. Now, our food is ready. I'm going to serve this. Now, for our chicken stew, we can serve it with beef. You can serve it with rice, with mashed potatoes, with garlic or even rice. Or for our case, we're going to serve it with plain boiled rice. If you have watched my other recipes, I have already prepared a recipe for a plain rice. So we're going to serve it with chicken stew. Yeah, this is my chicken stew and white rice. As you can see, it does look very yummy.